Hi, welcome to TRP Conversations with Clint and Elliot. I'm here with my buddy Elliot. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Clint. I see we have TRP Windshields as our product today.
And that's why we're friends. You have jokes for days.
I had a feeling you'd appreciate my humor today, but I'll spare you for now.
And I appreciate that. All right, so let's get started. What's the first thing the customer should know about the TRP Windshield program?
Well, the TRP Windshield program brings our customers high-quality aftermarket replacement windshields at affordable prices that meet all DOT safety standards.
That's right. And owners have come to expect TRP name to deliver value and quality, and that holds true for the replacement glass in the TRP Windshield program as well.
I couldn't agree more. Our customers spend a lot of time behind the wheel of their trucks. They demand windshields that provide excellent driver visibility. High-quality windshields are important for increased safety and reduced driver fatigue.
A high-quality windshield is a lot more than just clear, distortion-free glass. The fit is just as important and must be exact so that the installation process is easy and there is a reduced risk of leaking.
Exactly. TRP windshields meet stringent quality standards to ensure proper fit, so installation time is reduced.
And there are critical OEM specifications impacting the windshield's defrost and strength, which are also incorporated into TRP windshields. And that isn't true for a lot of other aftermarket replacement windshield programs.
That's right. And we wouldn't be doing our customers any favors if we didn't also point out that all TRP windshields are made with their safety in mind.
Yep, and safety and quality is at the core of what we strive for with TRP products. Okay, so with that in mind, briefly explain one of the key parts of the manufacturing process.
Well, TRP uses a lamination process where two pieces of glass are bonded together by a vinyl inner layer. If an accident occurs, that vinyl inner layer prevents the glass from shattering. It also provides strength, which helps to keep occupants inside the vehicle if there's a head-on collision. The glass breaks, but the pieces stick to the vinyl.
And this is a huge safety feature that should be pointed out to all of our customers.
Okay, so we covered the features and benefits, including the safety feature. So tell me, what make and model coverage do we offer in TRP Windshield program?
Yep, great question. Well, like all TRP products, the TRP Windshield program offers products that fit most popular truck applications, which helps cover our customers' diverse fleet requirements. They're available for heavy and medium duty vehicles, as well as many school and municipal bus applications.
And don't forget, the windshields offer you a ton of add-on sales opportunities. For example, the TRP windshield wipers, wiper arms, wiper motors, washer fluid, and TRP glass cleaner, just to name a few.
That's a very good point, Elliot. Okay, well, that's all the time we have for today. And as my grandpa used to say, enough for now. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you next time on TRP Conversations with Clint and Elliot.